Hi, Eric with Sennheiser. In a previous video, we set up the DW office to work with our desktop phone as well as a personal computer. Now, what we're going to do is set up a handset lifter. This allows you to answer and end a call remotely on phones that do not support electronic hook switch. A lifter works just like it sounds. It literally lifts the handset out of the cradle, therefore activating or terminating a line on your telephone. This allows you to get up and move freely within your office and still maintain connection to your communication devices. When you open up the lifter, there's a variety of accessories inside, but the first thing you'll notice is the actual lifter. This is a device that receives an electrical impulse from the DW office base station and literally lifts the handset out of the cradle. And there are two really important connections. One is the microphone. The other is the power and impulse signal cable. This cable looks like a traditional telephone cable, but it's a little bit thicker on the ends with ports designed to fit into the HSL 10 lifter. Let's start by connecting those to your DW office base station. There is a port on the rear labeled accessory, and it plugs right into there. Upon successful connection, the light will blink blue for a few seconds. Now you want to connect your microphone. Why would we include a microphone? The answer is really simple. When your phone rings while you're away from your desk, you can't really hear it. So this microphone will listen to the ringtone of your phone and send an impulse signal through the cable to the base station, which in real time sends a signal to the headset saying, hey, you have a telephone call, you should pick it up. Now let's do a quick test here. I'll pick up my handset out of the base station and I will activate an audio connection, which in turn activates the servo lifting the platform. You can end a call the same way. You can terminate the call at your base station or on your headset. Inside the box is some sticky tape, which you can use to affix the lifter to your handset here. And as you'll see, once you activate a line, it picks up the handset out of the cradle and it can put it back down just the same. So, when you're away from your desk and you hear an impulse in your headset, a ringtone, you can activate your audio link, which will lift the handset out of the cradle, therefore answering the telephone call. Really convenient. When you're done with the call, terminate, and it drops the handset back into the cradle. Really simple. So, now that you have your lifter set up, one thing you want to do is train your lifter to listen to the specific ringtone of your phone. And to do that, you'll notice there are two buttons here, P1 and P2. This lifter can store two different ringtones. For example, if you have a ringtone for internal calls and a ringtone for external calls, this lifter will be able to tell the difference. In order to train your lifter, of course, make sure you have your microphone connected here, which it is, into the microphone port. And you can route your microphone into the platform or detach the microphone and mount it somewhere near the speaker of your phone. The choice is up to you, whatever is most convenient and delivers the best results. To train your lifter, simply push and hold the P1 button. It will blink blue, indicating it's in training mode. Then make your telephone ring. Now that you've recorded a ringtone and trained your lifter successfully, you can enter a second ringtone via the P2 button in the same exact fashion. That's of course optional, but that option is there if you do need it. Now your lifter is trained and you're ready to take some calls. You can use the sticky tape included in the box to affix your lifter to your phone and begin taking calls right away. This is a great way to answer and end calls remotely using your DW Office wireless headset. Thanks for watching.